Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 12 from Madani Qaida Iqfa. What is Iqfa? How we perform Iqfa? We will learn in this video with examples. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Iqfa? Iqfa is the second case of Noon Sakin and Tanween. What is Iqfa and what is the definition of Iqfa? If any Iqfa letter comes after a Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Iqfa will be done, that is Ghunna nasalization will be done. What is Ghunna we will learn in this lesson as well. How many Iqfa letters are there? There are 15 Iqfa letters and they are Kaf, Qaf, Fa, Ra, Qa, Dad, Sad, Sheen, Seen, Za, Zal, Dal, Jeem, Tha, Ta. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as like this. Noon is Sakin here because Noon has this sign. This sign is called Jazm sign, Sukoon sign or silent sign. Any letter which has this sign is called Sakina letter. What is Ghunna or nasalization? Ghunna means taking the sound into the nose. How we perform Ghunna we will learn in this video as well. What is the duration or length of Ghunna? The duration of Ghunna should be equal to 1 alif. What is the Sakin letter or silent letter? As we have learned that any letter which has this sign, which letter is called Sakina letter or silent letter, and this sign is called silent Sukoon sign, Jazm sign or Sakina sign. How we pronounce the Sakina sign, Sakina letter or silent letter? Any letter which has Jazm sign, Sukoon sign or silent sign or silent letter will be pronounced with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. What is mutaharrik letter? Any letter which has Zabar, Zer, Pesh, vertical or Khada Zabar, vertical or Khada Zer on it or below it is called mutaharrik letter. What is Tanween? 2 Zabar, 2 Zer and 2 Pesh are called Tanween. In fact, Tanween is a Noon Sakin that is at the end of the word. This is why Tanween sounds like a Noon Sakin. For example, Hamza 2 Zabar An, Hamza 2 Zer In, Hamza 2 Pesh Un, in, Un. This lesson also comprises all the previous lessons, that is Harakat, Tanween, the letters of Madda, vertical or Khadi Harakat, the letters of Leen, the letters of Kalkala and the Sakina letter. How we perform Iqfa we will learn with examples. First example is या नून ज़बर यन सौद पेश हो या हो रो वाव पेश रू या सुरू नून ज़बरना या सुरूना. Here Ikhfa rule is happening here because there is Ikhfa letter comes after Noon Sakin. Here Noon is Sakin because Noon has Jazm sign, Sakin sign or Sukun sign, and there is page before Waw Sakin. This is Waw Madda, and Madda letter we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat. How we perform Ikhfa, how we apply Ikhfa rule here with Hunna. Hunna means taking the sound into nose, and the length of Hunna should be equal to one alif. Recite like this: Yansuruna, Yansuruna, Yansuruna. The next example is Mim Noon Zabarma Dod Waw Page Du Madu Dal Do Zirdin Madudin. Here Ikhfa rule is happening because there is Ikhfa letter come after Noon Sakin. Here Noon is Sakin or silent here because Noon has Jazm sign, Sukun sign or Sakina sign, and there is pesh before Waw Sakin. This is Waw Madda, and Madda letter we pronounce by stretching up to one alif or two harakat, and there is Dod is Mustaliya letter we pronounce with thicker voice or thick voice or heavy voice. How we perform Ikhfa with Hunna here: Mandudin, Mandudin, Mandudin. These are the examples of Ikhfa. In next videos, inshallah, we will learn more Ikhfa letters with examples. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.